October 9th, 2012.
As of October 21st, 15 years.
November of 45, so it'll be 68 years.
Breast cancer. It's a disease that affects women of all ages. Phyllis was just 20 years old, a newlywed, when she was diagnosed with breast cancer.
I was really frightened because I didn't know I hardly knew what cancer was. I went in up at St. V's and they took the tumor out, and he held it up and showed me what it looked like, and they just did it under Novocaine, if you can believe it.
That procedure was followed by a mastectomy.
I remember I gave all of my sweaters and dresses away because I was afraid that somebody'd notice, that I wasn't even. In those days, you didn't tell and you didn't talk about it. You didn't want anybody to know.
Today, a lot has changed surrounding breast cancer. Not only is there an entire month devoted to raising awareness about the disease, but the ability to detect and fight breast cancer continues to improve each year.
I'm a very firm believer in getting your mammograms and early, because without my mammogram, I may not be here today. I went in for my yearly exam, and they did a breast exam and everything was fine, but they wanted me to do a mammogram because I had just turned 40 in June, and I didn't want to. I just kind of figured it was another, oh, you're 40 kind of thing, and so I kind of poo-pawed the whole thing. But the nurse talked me into going in for my mammogram, and that's when they found it. It was awful. You know, you hear that C word and your whole world falls apart.
But the one thing that has not changed through the years is the determination of each and every survivor to fight and defeat this disease.
You have to do everything you can to survive, and so you kind of get that fear. You know, it's a fear factor. And so you have to, some days are better than others, and you go and you pray a lot. Just be confident in yourself too as a person, because you're really strong and you can handle this.